Hey guys, Moshe is here, and today we're going to walk around the Tesla, around it and inside it, and let's look at the front. Beautiful Tesla logo. Let's lift up the front. This is the front trunk, also known as front. What can you put here? I don't know, maybe grocery bags and whatever. You have this hook over here, you can actually latch them on. See that? You can latch them on. And it's a nice space to put stuff that you don't need to use all the time, or grocery bags if you'd like. And you basically close it by tapping it with two hands. I'm going to do it one hand obviously, but two hands, just like that, and that's it. Beautiful front fascia. I call it the bug magnet. Has 4 cameras in the front bottom. There are cameras all around. The headlights are absolutely beautifully tucked in, and part of the aerodynamic of this car, this beautiful black Tesla Model 3. And this is my 19-inch Continental sports tires. I already have the snow tires. I ordered them in. Here's that side camera that I talked about. Here is this camera. You have it also on the other side. Here are the door handles. I like that they're flat, so it's good for aerodynamic. I don't like this mechanism. This is asking for trouble. See how they hold over the years. Love the lines. Really an aerodynamic car. My favorite part is the roof, all glass. Really, you don't even feel the sun. It's nice and shielding you. Nice screen. You know, the tail lights, one piece on here for the side and another piece over here. Is the Tesla logo. The trunk, this is not a hatchback like my Volt and my Leaf, but it is deep. It is very, very deep. I flattened the seat on the side, if you can see. Here's some grocery bags, and of course right here is the well, that where you put the charging stuff and anything else that you want to do and that you want to tuck in. Again, in the back, let me close the trunk. In the back you do have four cameras. 4 cameras on the back, 4 cameras on the side, and 4 cameras on the back, 4 cameras on the front, and 2 on the side. One is here, like on the other side, there's one is here. Actually, I'm sorry, my bad. You have one here as well, on this tire in the back, and on the other side. Let's see if we have, yes, and on this one. So 4, and 4, 8, 16 cameras. 16 cameras on each side. Here are the side mirrors. I don't love them because they're small. Not too much visibility, just like in the Volt. Here, same thing. They're a little bigger in the Volt, but small. Let's go inside. Let's sit inside. It is very, very comfortable. Here is the main screen. I did a whole video on the screen, so you can watch there. It has 2 cup holders. There are 2 cup holders in the back as well. Premium leather. I'm 6'2", so you know, plenty of room. I can put 1 baby on my head. In the Leaf I can put 3. Here's 1. And so you have everything on one screen. It's a very minimalistic car. There's not much in here. You have this beautiful, nice dash wood. The visibility is really great. Unlike the Volt, the visibility here is fantastic. And you can use always this button for the back camera, and you can actually drive with it if you'd like. And basically all the controls are from here. Like I said, 2 cup holders, nice a nice compartment right here, a drawer here, and you can go deep if you want. It goes all the way through. This one, you can charge your phone from here, but you have to take the phone cover. I could not do it with my phone cover, so I put another one. There's another place here to put, but they give you the cable they gave you. It's for Android, so you can really need to use this cable because it has a little elbow. This one will not do, so I kept this one for flexibility. But right here, the compartment here is deep. The glove compartment, as you see, you cannot open it from here. You have to use the screen. Mr. Glove compartment, here we go. And you can close it manually. The wheel has these 2 buttons. This is for the speed, for your cruise control, autopilot, and this is for the volume, for the music. And you can also set the mirrors, I think, from here. Yeah, hold on, let me see, is that true? Yes, it's for the mirrors. You have the gear stock and also the autopilot, and also right here you have the for the blinker and for the wiper blade if you want to do the wash your blades. Right here you have 4 buttons for the windows for everybody from the driver's side, and that button on the top is where you open and close the door on all doors. You do have a latch right there. Let me point it for you. You have a latch right there, but you don't use it. It's only for emergencies, and bottle and compartment holders on every single door. So like I said, it's so minimal. There is nothing in this car, and that's what makes it so incredibly unique. Again, here's that back mirror that I said, that you know, rear view mirror. It's small. You have interior lights in here and in the back. Actually, let's sit in the back for a second. I want to show you the headroom. Just stay with me for a second here. There we go. Let's go into the back. You can actually raise this chair. Okay, now it's really a very comfortable 4-seater, but you can have somebody sit in the middle. It's no big deal. I'm 6'2". Here we go again. Okay, unlike the Volt, I cannot sit in the back. Here I can put maybe, I don't know, maybe a book. That's it. But I can totally comfortably sit. No problem, believe me. With this amazing glass roof. My God, do I love this glass roof. This is unbelievable stuff. Unbelievable. This glass roof. So it's really great. Okay, so that's that, guys. If you have any questions, put in the comment. Any things I didn't cover, you more than welcome to ask. Here's what I discovered for coat. Okay, shirt. Here we go. You press the button and this comes out on both sides, this side and the other side. And you have lights here, air conditioning fans, and 2 USB ports for the back seat. Got it? See you next time, guys.